Sanibonani ninjani? Sibuyile futhi Ward 5. Last besikhona for PGM ne? Yeah, we were here for a PGM last time ne. So namhlanje kunenkinga ekhona. Yazi labantu laba bayaganga laba mina ngisazi ukuthi kwenzakalani namhlanje. So we're going to try and find out ukuthi what's what namhlanje, because last they said it's for an ANC type of thing. Kodwa ke at this point it includes umphakathi, and ngazathi umphakathi omunye ukho aware ukuthi what's happening manje, because the only people who know ukuthi what's happening kahle kahle are the immediate members of the organization. So liwana leyo nto leyo nje la ngemva kwamanje ukuthi people are not here, people don't know what's happening, and the only one that I hear, it seems like it was to make sure that a particular individual or individuals actually get to win. And so these people back here, they're crying about who has to inform abantu abadala. Ubani kufanele atshela abantu abadala ukuthi kwenzakalani manje, ngoba phela abantu abadala abahleli ezindlini abazi ukuthi kwenzakalani la. So as you can see, they're trying to explain to each other there. Mara we're gonna try and find my interviews nyana too, and then bese siba grant here ukuthi sizokuthi khamba kanjani. Thank you for now.
Sanibonani mphakathi. Lapha manje sesinenkinga entsha sha esingayizwa, and manje ukuthi i-candidate uzoba ikhansela la i-Ward 5. Manje inkinga sesibhekane nayo, abantu bafuna ama-ID and abahelanga, and lecha ukuthi i-fraud. And abantu abadala ngeke basuke labona nama-ID kudini. Lena sizoyilwa angabe kanjani i-postpone le meeting, bahele kabusha abantu abadala babazi ukuthi baphatha ama-ID. Ngiyabonga.
Sinama informal settlement ayi2 ngingapha naleslow. Yebo. Mina banako nalabo. Sasibangazulu bathi uTsepho ukhethwe kanjani?
Yeah. Nabo gogo abana WhatsApp, abana mafoni.
So bana namele banako bedingi baba ma-speciality. Kumele simamele.
Asikakezwe ngabaphathi laba. Asikazi sidebate la ngaphandle manje abahlele ngamaqembu manje sibuzana lo mbuzo ukuthi kenziwa kanjani ngoba abantu abadala abaphathanga ama-ID, abantu abadala bama ngamadondolo. Yebo. Amen.
Registration for what? Yeah, we don't plan on that. But when the pass registration for what?
So nakune kodwa sibhekela i-Ward 5 kufuneka ama-member wase-Ward 5 kuphela.
Okay.
La azocheckwa khona ukuthi ukhona kule voters roll.
No, Diba, bebangabuyi kwamanye amawadi. Bekuyi-demarcation error leyo. You understand? Yaba-becoming system leyo.
No, phela na-last beyirano yini ngiyakutshela
Phela
nje.
kuqhubeke nama
Angithi ngiyakutshela ukuthi isebenza
Mara mniki chance leader. Mniki chance.
Qhubeka. I was here nani babuthoko. You understand? Yeah, so siyazi ukuthi lento lezenzeka kanjani. Bekungasuka ukuthi abantu basuke mhlambe bo2 beze i-Ward 5. Kwa kuyi-error leyo. Ye-demarcation. Lento uyazi ukuthi iyamphika umuntu wase-Ward 5 imfake i-Ward 2. You understand? But masenifika la ngaphakathi bese kushintsha ukuthi lo muntu wase-Ward 2 kanti wase-Ward 5. You understand? So niya lento sichazela yona maye ayizwakali because
but noma vele ku-voters roll senze njani?
Leyo inkinga isolveka because okunye besikhona ukukwenza ngamafoni iphinde ilungiseke ngaleso sikhathi into leyo.
Yilo kufanele sikwe. That's why sithi nize nama-ID yilo kufanele.
Anishongo nisho ma.
Nisho ba. Mawubani mina tudimisa bogogo bakhuphuka.
So ama-ID ayisebenzi yakhona.
Gerila leyo ngasiyimele ama-ID.
And we cannot allow this program.
Hayi ngalesikhathi. Angithi nibonile siyazama ucommunicate phone. Angasiyimele.
No ningafaki mina phela.
Wena maye. Awungaphathi wena. Kodwa ufuna ukuthini ngoba uwe phela. lo la phambili
phela thina mele
abathi kuthunyelwa wena ngomlomo khona ngizokhuluma naye
thina nje sifuna lowo sifunayo ngoba la i-EFF
wena babiza la uthozana nani sabe
iformat la ibla kubla
ayikho
akukho la ntombi lasilale
benza kusebenza
ayina isebenza thina konke simele bekizwe
balwa
bese sibadala phela sikhohliswa manje ayazi le police balwa ayazi ukuthi
Funa simfunayo.
Mara, Gerina. Yabona mai. Mara isichina siya. Ndiba mvule kuye sihlahleni. Sirenda bokele.
ufakazi wami yabo ukiphetha ngeke ufakazi wami indlule kuye na
Uyathina sizwa.
Teva indlanga ivene imemezela
komrestering
imemezela organization there you can't
Yeah, Mara, you can consider there. None organization you are wrong because you mainly you are a candidate. How was
asibeni ne-way forward ngaphisani yeheli
no lento lena yehlukuma 18 minutes mangabe uyiphethanga ngisho yazayijakhona
mara i-problem i-process bekungabe seyiqalile i-process bekungabe seyiqalile
sengithi le lento leni mengezole ANC
umemezela how many years of service? You need to hire us. You need to hire
Sifuna ukusebenzelwa manje. And sifuna abantu abasha abazowenza lento esiyifunayo thina mphakathi. Hayi efuna abanye abantu. Hayi. Hayi.
kulumele lapha mama
Hayi sikhathele futhi. Awubingelele nje umphakathi waseligwa nowase Ward 5. Sikhathele singumphakathi wase Ward 5 ukukhethelwa amakhansela singayikhethelanga thina mphakathi ngoba bajike bona bakontrole lawo makhansela babatshela ukuthi benze ini bangenzi ini thina idinga zethu zomphakathi bangasilungiseli zona sikhatheleke manje sizoyikhethela thina mphakathi uholi ozohola thina ozohambisa idingo zethu kwenzeke ngendlela esifuna ngayo kwamanje asinamanzi mangakho amakhansela angena senzeni thina sivalelwa amanzi angaphumi at all senzeni soneni siward 5 kuyathakethwa ugesi yiward 5 amanzi yiward 5 umgwaqo yiward 5 yonke into iseward 5 kanjani awaphume wonke asibafuni sifuna owethu ozowenza lento esimtshela yona and sinaye angeke simshiye noma bangathi bayamsabisa siyoma naye until kwenzeke lezinto esizifunayo lamavelfa bawavalile lapha phezulu bawavule ngoba siyawazi ukuthi avalwa boba lawo mavelfa bayalazi iqiniso bahlele ema-ofisini bayalazi iqiniso ukuthi kwenzekane ward 5 kungenxa yabo ngoba bafuna imali ukuthi kungena amatraka abazodla bona nemindeni yabo thina yethu imindeni bazali bethu bashona nge-apartheid bafela inkululeko kodwa leyo nkululeko namhlanje sisayilwela thina abantu abasha hayi konele likwa konele ward 5 izwi elethu masivota sivotela ukuthi yonke into esiyifunayo yenzeke amandla dala abonga
angithi uyabona wena malume umtshela hayi cha sithwele kanzima nanga umeyara la ongasumeyara abantu abangafuni ukukhuluma indaba zabo mina ngumhlali wase ward 5 apart from being iLikwa TV at this point nani labantu laba they cannot come and tell us ukuthi what no one want to come forward asho ukuthi what's happening manje la in a sense yokuthi miwe la abanye bakhala ngama ID abanye bakhala ngama hailing mina ngikhala nge-transparency because I'm trying to get interviews from the candidate themselves ababhaji yayithola into le because manje kune commotion within themselves kuyimanje nje these people are suffering they cannot manage their own house how will they manage iward so what's your take baba
mfowethu kunjani igama lami ngi-Opa Samuel Hlongwane
aka amen
yes ngihlala e-extension 2 3952 Hlongwane Drive inkinga yami ukuthini lana njengoba sishoda kanjena inkinga ukuthi azange kwamenyezelwa ukuthi abantu beze lana abantu bayashoda and inamba yethu akusile number le thina esi-expectile nana umphakathi ozokhetha not to say ukuthi thina sithe sizofuna i-candidate ama-candidate we-ANC dala siwakhethile inkinga ukuthi umphakathi ufuna ukhetha abantu babo abayi-2 and labantu labo bayi-2 labo kumele bakhethwe umphakathi and umphakathi ukhala ngokuthini azange kwamenyezelwa and so manje into emisile umphakathi lo mncane lo khona uthi ama-ID awaphethanga because azange kwamenyezelwa so manje sicela ukuthi i-meeting mhlawumbe noma ngaba kusasa before Wednesday abantu bazokwazi ukuthi babuye nama-ID kumenyezelwe babuye babe right ngiyabonga
okay so if ukuthi inkinga manje ama-ID and hailing ne mara ngiyawubona umphakathi lobuyeza ngama-numbers compared to how it was makusaqala lana ne so ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi ma ukuthi kuthiwa i-meeting ayihlehliswa-ke how do you go about it because ngizwe ngathi kufuneka nama-IDs and other things
leyo abantu ekuseni even nayizolo bahambile bayokhampeyina batshela abantu ukuthi abantu ababuye beze youth center by 1 o'clock and then by 3 o'clock yila bazongena but manje inkinga yi-1 thina abantu abazi ukuthi ama-ID kumele bawaphathe laba abameme abenze lo mhlangano azange bawufake or bamemezele ukuthi umphakathi phathana ama ID nani what no abantu batshele abantu ukuthi wozana meeting babangenele ekseni namhlanje abanye abantu basesemncwabeni abanye abantu abakafiki lana abanye abantu bayihlele lapha bashama whatever libe ngeke ngikhuluma igama leyo njobo buyemncwabeni angeke baze bathi bona beza la e-youth center cause kuna something abazi abanye abantu yes
So ke ithini into yanamhlanje ngoba njengoba usho ukuthi wena kufuneka ama candidates because I was here last week for that BGM. I think that's the part ukhuluma ngayo ukuthi ANC na ama candidates awo. Lawo umphakathi eza namhlanje or na wakhethwa last week.
no lawo umphakathi vele mela khethwe this week
Okay.
namhlanje futhi
Omela include kule ma
yes kule 4 esinayo and then kule lokhuzana leyo umphakathi mele ufake 2
Okay.
and then bese siba na 6
All right.
umphakathi wekhethelayo then lapho ke hayi
So ikuphi ke la inkinga ke? Ikuphi into abi hiccup?
inkinga ekhona ukuthini ama IDs abantu abatshelwanga ukuthi baphathe umazisi babo inkinga ileyo
Angesikhona ukubabuza ukuthi umuntu asho ID number yakhe ngoba phela kufuneka ID number.
asilingani iminyaka
Okay.
khona umuntu oyazi ID number yakhe mina ngazi ID yamama yababa abantwana basekhaya bonke abangani bami ama IDs wabo ngiyawazi ngekhanda then even nalo wokugcina lo owami umntwana ngiyazi ID number yakhe so manje abanye abantu asifanda ingqondweni yes inkingi ileyo that's why kufuneka vele iID straight bayizoskena bese iyasho ukuthi okay lana member of the ANC good standing or not
Hayibo. Umuntu ozovota mina be ANC.
not to say ukuthi umuntu ozovota
Ozo represent.
or ozoba khona la emphakathini noma ngabe akekho nangabe umuntu akekho ku ANC nana lo muntu loyo anasakhetha umphakathi nje umphakathi vele ungazi lutho ngendaba ama ID umphakathi nomkhethile sizomregister abe under ANC nakhetha umphakathi
Hayi siyabonga but upase sizovula abanye abantu.
ngiyabonga futhi
Thank you. Hayi sibonge ke lapho ke wathi ukuthamba kancane umalume wasinika lento esiyifunayo siyabonga.
so khona udeploy la uMamthembu obuya ku region ye-African National Congress uye mhlawumbe ongasi-address ukuthi ukuze sihlangane la sizowenzani or kuzowenziwani
Sanibonani ninjani siyaphila sibonga ukuthi nithathe isikhathi senu nize emhlanganweni omphakathi obizwe ANC njengoba ke sekangithulile ubaba la osiphethele lo hlelo lwanamhlanje sizocela ukucacisa lokho namuhla i-community meeting candidate selection process esisebenza ngayo ukuthi siphume nama candidates esiyowakhetha we-ANC so umhlangano wokuqala bow last week I believe some of you benkhona lo mhlangano wa last week bokuma members we-ANC plus voters of the ANC right i-process that happened yenzakele so namuhla siku community meeting yase Ward 5 but nale community is not everyone it's only those who have interest of the ANC mangabe khona abantu abasemhlanganweni wrong ningakhululeka nibuyele emakhaya indlela ke yokubiza lo mhlangano it was on a mouth to mouth spread ukuthi siyatshelana ngisho sa announce after le meeting ephelile ukuthi Saturday siyabuya so naphuma ke natshelana ukuthi kunomhlangano nje ubaba uyangirepotela la ukuthi kunemetha ethi we were supposed to hail akusi forced ukuhail ukubiza umhlangano sine social platform sine mouth to mouth sina yonke indlela esingenza ngayo ukuthi sibizane sibe semhlanganweni so njengoba sibizene ke sila So asihayelanga and we are not forced to hail. Ngicela lokho siku-understand. Right? Akisho akusi meeting akamasipala. I-meeting ye-ANC. So whichever criteria sibonayo i-right ukuthi siyenzile today. Hence we are here. Okunye kokubalekile kule process esikuyo ukuthi funa senze sure ukuthi abantu abala abanesay kule process are voters of the ANC Ward 5. Sikuthola kanjani ukuthi uyivoter? Kufuna sikhulume no-IEC through i-voters roll and the app angisho sicheck ukuthi vele uThemsile Mhlongo uyivoter laseholi or uvote elisate. Yiyo ke ithikithi lakho lokuthi ukhona ukungena kumhlangano. Bayashoka abanye bathi abatshelwanga ukuthi bokufuna abaphatha ama-ID. Siyakuzwa lokho kodwa ukuze le process ibe fair kufuna ube ne-ID ozoyiproducer or i-driver's license or i-copy ungacela nje ekhaya bakushudele i-ID yakho bakuthumelele at least uvezeke efonini ukuthi vele this is your ID. So that is how we are going to take as the attendance register to the meeting as a report. Angisho umhlangano nomhlangano kufuna ube ne-report. So ukuze ke si-report kufuna ukuthi kube abantu abavota e-Ward 5 abaparticipate. Mangabe uyafika e-Ward 5 bose Ward 6 but Limbe you won't be able to participate because the process kufuna ibe fair. Why the process kufuna ibe fair? Angisho last week enikhumbula meeting in Ketwe 4 candidates. Angisho. Manje siwaletha ebe bakhona mangabe bongekho thula angisho siyakutshela ukuthi last week bokhona umhlangano and kwakhethwa 4 yabantu. So ke lalelani akuliwa ngisho sinikana information. So ukuthi bekakhuluma lapha ya. And awukwazi ungagrambula ngikhuluma it's not fair. Uthi ubhuti bekangekho. Angisho mawungekho uyathula. Awugrambuli nangabe bongekho. Mina ngilwisana nokuthi uyagrambula. You understand? So ke
the way you are talking, ayikho right. Yebo ukuthi besingekho mawuzothi uyasitshela. That means when you are trying to manipulate the whole situation ukuthi isuthe wena. Lalela sisi. Step number 1 is not a force ukuthi uhayile, which means lento lena vele ubiza lo naloyo mfuna lapho kulo mhlangano. Manje mawuzothi uyasitshela. It means wena ufuna lo mfunayo. Thina njengomphakathi wase Ward 5 njenge ANC yase Ward 5 sifuna ukwazi manje ngesijolo information because wena uhayilanga. Simply because wena uhayilanga. Akusifos. Which means when utshela ukuthi kuphela uzokwazi ukuthi wena wena mabhongo.
Thula ke before. Lalele. Fine. Moya nomphakathi.
No, it's fine. You are telling us the guidelines. Listen. So we are telling us the guidelines. We are listening to the guidelines. We are listening to the guidelines.
Siyabonga. Alright. Siyabonga. Sengqhubeka ke phakathi. Last week sakhetha for candidates, right? Maskhetha ngeke phela mina ngibathulisa abantu abangafuna. Last week sakhetha for candidates, right? So lo mhlangano we are going to present laba candidates awu4 esawakhetha last week. For you to endorse them or say okay fine siyanizwa nikhethile last week. But thina nathi sinombono ohlukile kulo wenu. I-process esizoyenza today. So ke manje nombono ohlukile akunankinga. You are allowed to do that. Yes. Lungelo lenu vele. Siyaninika le opportunity yokuthi nikwenze lokho ni present omunye umuntu enifuna ukumpresent. Bese ke ukuze lo muntu enifuna ukumpresenta today angene. Ngicela ningizwe kahle. Please, ngikhiphe namafoni ngishude futhi if you can. Niyakhumbula ukuthi ngiyakhuluma nge-issue ye-registration. Nekhumbula i-issue ye-registration engiyiphathile mangicala. So ke mangabe la muntu lomhlangano kunama community members awu500. Ngiyenza i-example. Angishaskazi manje ukuthi how many people abazoparticipate. Nangabe la kulo mhlangano lo kunabantu abawu500 abaparticipatayo today. Ukuze legama eniza nalo enifuna kulifaka kule process liphumelele noma li reach i-threshold. Likhona ukuthi li-accepteke libe ingcenye le4 esilethayo. Kufuna li reach 50+1 of the attendance of the meeting. Sayithola ngisho. So ke u50+1 kule meeting yabantu abawu500 kuzoba i251 people. Sayithola mase. Mangabe abantu bawu100 kule meeting kufuna legama at least livotelwe abantu abawu51 ukuze likhona ukungena. Ke maselingena legama lingena last week abebekhona futhi labantu abavotelwe kwaba khona number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So longenayo automatically uba yini number 1 bese number 4 uyafola off. Angisho kena ka fola off sesinabantu abayi4 again because the process ifuna sibe nama candidates awu4. Bese ke umhlangano ke wonke so uqala le process of voting for the 4 candidates. Number 1 kusho sekazovotelwa kayingakhi? Kawu2. Ekuqaleni bekavoteleka ukuthi abe part of the process. Manje ke umhlangano lo kufuna uphume una number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So, if voting is 2, seyiyenzeka for the 4 candidates. Right? Siyaphuma ama results sino number 1 up to 4. Bese ke process namhlanje yaphela. Buya ku process yes3. Enye meeting leyo hayi namhlanje. Yama members we ANC in good standing. Members of the ANC in good standing kufuna abe ne say abhali report to us at the regional office. Angisho bathenga regional executive committee member ANC. Thina siyithatha kanjalo simixa kuphi enational. Asithi kuyenzeka ke. Bachazile last week ukuthi ubani umuntu okumela khethwa ngisho. Ufuna ube no grade 12. Unfortunately kule process ngeke sikuvethe ukuthi uno grade 12, ne? Ithi process ikufuna ungabi ne criminal record. Unfortunately kule process namhlanje ngeke sikuvethe ukuthi une criminal record around nayo. Le report le ezohamba iye kithi sesiyababiza ke bonke ama candidates aselikwa 4 times 15 words bathatha ithupha. Angisho basinika bo matric bayahlolwa ukuthi vele umalusi or yabo. Asesithi kuyenzeka kusiye ngile la. What awuna criminal record. Ama results ayithupha buye kanti u number 1 so uyaphuma kanjalo. Sesibuka bani number 2. Kanjalo size sithola ama candidates. but nakwenzakela ukuthi vele ka number 1 number 1 unjalo ukhethe umphakathi awunasici automatically you will be the candidate lase Ward 5 siyokubona emapalini sivote ngomhla ka4 nakwenzeka ukuthi vele kunjalo so ke bengicela sibambisane neni kule process ye registration ukuze umhlangano wethu uzoqala ngoba angeke kube fair ukuthi for an example ngicandidate namuhla and ngibonile ukuthi last week ama number ngifavor kahle ngahamba ngaye 5 ngayolanda bobruru bami ingakho kufuna ukuthi sivele kwa IEC a confirm ukuthi uyivota la se Ward 5 bese uyangena emhlanganweni participate.
Danko.
Yebo bhuti.
Ugogo yabuza lapha sicela.
Okay, ugogo bese uyangena ngemva kagogo. Uzongena bhuti number 3, ungene number 4. Sikhona esinye isandla sisivalela ngaphandle. Uzongena be number 5. Bhuti lapho 6 7 ngikhetha ngikhomba lezandla kanje ngenzela ukuthi singavukwa umoya ngisho. Si right song. Okay gogo.
Sanibonani baba. Cela ukubuza la. Yabona mina ngisukumile ngoba ngizwe umntana amakhuluma asho efonini. Azange basimemezele. Basitshela ukuthi kuzoba no meeting onje namhlanje. Kunabo gogo abanengabi la kuyami ward. Sivota nabo ehoyi. Abanye baze balandwe ngeimoto. Kodwa namhlanje ngoba kuzokhethwa fanele bathini labo gogo ngalelanga lokuvota. Ngivotela bani la? Ngivotela bani? Bavotela umuntu abangamazi. Abenzi kahle mntana. Abenzi kahle.
Alright siyabonga. Ngicela ukuthi ngiyakhumbula ngisho ukuthi ngikhomela landelana kanjani. Ayasikho isikhulumo esizoba wrong la. Mangabe khona ukufuna kulunga kuzofuna si-agree sonke sikulungise. Mangabe wonke umuntu uzizwa kanjalo. Number 2.
Ngiyabonga ithuba mphathi le meeting kahle kahle masizwa on the previous meeting kwathiwa i-meeting izoba ngezi-20. All of a sudden iyafika nje kulamalanga just recently iyafika sekuthiwa i-meeting semayi sekumele sibhuduzele. Secondly, that's not my point. Secondly, le ndaba yokuthi kumele kube khona identification akule post esiyibonile ngendlela esiyibone ngayo nathi akukho la ku state khona ngaba amapasi wabhathile sihodala vele. So manje sesizoba ne problem because aswaphathanga lawo ma-ID la i-comments zethu but sikhona laphana ku-IEC. So we thought ukuthi mhlawumbe lapha ku-registration time mawuthi ubani igama lakho vele uzongithola but i-identification angiphathanga i-problem ileyo. Siyabonga.
Okay, ikhulumo ezithu ziveza almost into efanayo. Ikhayo ubizwa komhlangano ne-ID engekho. Number 3. Uthi number 3.
I mean angisakhuluma.
Awusakhuluma. Okay, kulabo abanye abafuna ukukhuluma khona nombono ohlukile. Yes. Ngakufodela namanje WhatsApp. Ungangena ku website hayi marubuda ngisho ufuna ama guidelines and they are written down. Phela ngeke vele size siwathole emoyeni futhi. Abhalwe phansi akhona ku website ye-ANC. Ubhuti manje ubuza ukuthi lalela. Ubhuti ubuza ukuthi ngawathola kanjani. And ubhuti unayo WhatsApp ngiphendula yena ngisho nami.
Mara la gogo na kanayo.
Ubhuti yabona ukuthi unfair. Unfair ngoba wena ngithena ngisikhuluma wathi wena sokhuluma omunye sokhuluma okunye.
Ngoba sithakhuluma.
Okay, bhuti uzowathola ama guidelines. Ungangena nje ku website ye-ANC 18/19/12 uthi candidate selection process guidelines uzowathola. A public. Ukhona omunye mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho okuhlukile.
Number 4.
Oh,
number 5 engale.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright, mina ngifuna ukubuza na community ukuthi ngiyakwezwa indaba zokhela nani ukuthi eyisehile umasipala. Is it fair ukuthi umphakathi wase Ward 5 awuphelelanga la? Ngoba kunabaningi abangazi ukuthi kune. Is it fair bona? Yes. Umbuzo wami lo.
Khona omunye osafuna ukusho okuhlukile.
Mina ngine-suggestion sanibonani phakathi. Yebo. Sicela sicaleni phansi. Yes. Sicela sicaleni phansi from yonke le. And yazi into ebuhlungu yini corporate. Sideways into eyiningi. Bathi baheyilile. Ngekho umuntu ozwile. umuntu okhuluma ngokuhela bathi baheyile hayi ushilo khona ubhuti uThembi kakhona emotweni bekhela naye then yazi njani thina asizwanga lento KPGM sayibona iyahlala yelo lethwa singezanga futhi thina mina ngiyibonile zangeza vele ne because of izinto ezizama kuyivimba from Ward 5 any Ward 5 siyakhuluma nase wardini namanje ukubumbana kwale ward leli i-corruption yelisedi ne-corruption yeholi yabona ngihlanganisa sonke lo ngalemelazwana lo ngabemelazwana lo alikho ikhansela elizoma la libe ngazathi livele lavela la e-centralize ehlongwane drive kuphuma bomphakathi ngapha nangapha so into esicelayo thina sicela ukuthi mangabe le meeting asikhona ukuthi sihlaleni kanje sizwane futhi sicela ukuthi ANC athathe nani sicela postpone meeting sirike ngoba nale meeting le ememeli hlasi yazi nge-20 thina siyamangala nge-13 namhlanje yayibona so ezinye izinto mhlawumbe information isecurity mara sazi and another thing no IEC sicela lo baba ngezi la yebo lo baba ngoba bayakhansela likhulu lo baba lona thina sisikhule phansi kwa
Hlumezeka kakhulu.
Nobaba lona ukwazi ukusuka le akhulume nabangani bakhe eze lazo addressa thina. Sorry. Uyawazi ama protocols. Namanye ngombuzile I was the one. Uyawazi ama protocols. For years akhona. Usevile futhi. Yabo? But yena sicela uIEC a withdraw la. Sicela even if wasingathola umuntu neutral noma ngaphuma national ngenxa ye Ward 5 yazi Ward 5 mara sesithembu uyayazi nawo le nkinga ye Ward 5 i Ward 5 ayikho into emeli izilunga ngaphandle ukuthi abantu bafaka utshwala abantu bafaka ama drugs i Ward 5 nje thina masikhumbula kahle ukukhula sikhulele ku-ANC ku-YCS sikhulele ku-SACP sikhulele kuwo wonke lama le inhlanga zonke sihlala lapha emafaku izinto ebezenzwa la Ward 5 asayifuthi abafowethu bahambile babulawa yibo ama-comrades akhona within the interim of the ANC we didn't give up sese ku-ANC namhlanje asisho ukuthi mhlambe kanjani but mina I'm so surprised ukuthi umuntu ogeneral kanje sikhuluma ngogeneral ngithi uthe i-veteran la Ward 5 but lona akusi veteran is the kid of the Ward 5 lastly it is wrong of him ukuthi azo addressa ashiya abantu la suka khona bemeletha sambeni angithi ngiyabonise kanjani manje mawufika la sithembu uqale kuphi ebantwini uqale ngani. Alright. Same thing as Peganena. We will feel like we're not saying there's one who's saving one, but Tina Sofila Ranjal. See Umpagati. Joe won us booming a number so. Bese see Pushela Tibuta short. Now this stool is empty up. Show the moon to that, then there's a problem in. Even the PGM, Begamelang is Shalen Uksha. Mabakuna Banduk Talaba voter, Maraba very voters roll. So you're on a PGM failing up a pet. Okay, but so le PGM a secondary is structure like Ward 5. So in the saga could secret with the meeting. He postponed to a duration whereby Sibon would song is a snare as soon. Magabe sitting with the hail. So keep a man, so hail.
Siyabonga imbono evelile ne eliyezwakala isikhalo esikhulu sithi umhlangano ubizekanga kahle and ukuze siqhubeke ifeeling yayibhikasi eziningi zithi umhlangano ubizeke kahle angisho kodwa ke angazi i20 zivelaphi ngicela ukuyithatha ke ngoba seyivelile le process e candidate selection ithi ama guidelines kufuna at least by 20 June sibe sesicedile so u20 June angazi noma uvele lapho akazwalakalanga abengekho ngisho mina last week so now funa le process esiyenzayo by umhla ka-20 June sibe sesiyicedile sesirepotile. So ke mina bengicela kulomhlangano manje ukuthi nanithi niyawupostpone lo mhlangano upostponele ke thu ilanga at least esizovumelana nangalo sonke sila kungabi bikho umuntu othi ecishe ngasebenzisela inkama usidecided yabona at least ke manje sonke nje basigcwele la kunana le camera mhlawumbe izosifaka na ku Facebook isincedise ukuhambisa umhlangano. So now let us agree ukuthi umhlangano supostponela nini. Mina bengizo advise ukuthi at least Monday angisho Monday yi-15 and abantu abanengi bathatha ama leave or Tuesday simaphela senzani example angisho or ngeyi-16 bese sithi Monday kumenyezela ukuze ngeyi-16 sibuye la sichubeke kahle. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi lokho angeke kube inkinga kodwa ke imani futhi ngicacise le ngicela futhi kube i-responsibility yethu sonke njengoba sila ukuthi ngomhla ka-16 senza sure ukuthi wonke umuntu ongekho nala uza aphethe i-ID ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi urejisteke kahle.
Siyavumelana.
Okunye ke futhi ngifuna ukukucacisa lokho i-IEC process i-voters roll engikhuluma ngayo angikhulumi nge-database e-ANC la nikhiphana khona manithanda nifakani ngikhuluma nge-IEC le oya kuyo voting session wena sicu sakho uyoyifaka kuyo mangabe ke wena ukho lapho asina excuse next week bafethu Tuesday. Okugcina ngicela nje ukuchaza indaba kaBamthopeng yabo angisho niyazi ukuthi kune branch le ANC Ward 5 yima bhuti kune BEC eWard 5 so ama guidelines we-ANC lawo ngithatholakala ku website ngicela uwabuka athi i-branch executive committee funa ihlale ne ithi mayihleli babuzani comrades ubani one interest kule process ofuna ukukhetheka bayikhansela ama comrade raise ke their views but ithi lento kufuneka umuntu ongena interest yokukhethwa ewadi akusiwa seward 10 asingeke abuye eward 10 ngeke abuye na national funa kube umuntu wala iwadi ongena interest kule process sezwana ongena sihlobo esine interest yabona so loyo muntu uye ke esimcelayo as the ANC ukuthi abe electoral officer yethu arane lama processes uwarana kodwa comrades ngeassistant yethu sonke yabona regardless of whether ke wena uyamthanda or kanjani kodwa nangabe iningi livumelene and manje into esingayenza ke mhlawumbe ukuze kube lula ukuthi mhlawumbe Tuesday sibhifaphe ubaba uMthopeng sibona ukuthi abakhona la abobani abafila ukuthi bangamncedisa bamgadeke nanithi uyaganga nangamavoti nokwazi lalelani bafethu vela ngisho ngeke sithanda umuntu oyi-one song la kunabantu abathi siyamfuna Okay, fine. Yabona bafethu mina la angizange ngithethe ubuso beni ngimkhohlisa. lana ukushintsha umhlangano soheli bese-ke mhlambe nangabe sokwenzakele la kulo mhlangano lo sizobe sesazi ukuthi vele uvota lana nje ukukha kangaka mhlambe singayicala le decision but manje manje uba uthobeni electoral
aswaneni
yabona-ke mina angizange ngizoshintsha izinto
hayi thina sifuna ukuhambise le message
ngiyalitshela bafethu angifuni futhi unikhohlise
i-order le
ngize ngithi kanjani
mangabe i-order phela siyimele siyimele thina
angazi
sumphakathi
wethu nathi sibona ukuthi uyathembeka yini
yini lento engiyishoyo ngithi the only thing that you can do manje ngoba uthophe ngikhona vele the only thing engingayenza ukuthi ngi-ede ngifake le process mara yena kanjalo
The only problem with the ANC is you only fight for a person when you are benefiting from that person. That's the only thing. When you are denying the community, you can hear everybody is shouting as in Funa, and only a few people are shouting when you say you are not going to change. You are taking this side because when you're not listening to the whole people who are saying the whole thing. Okay, it's fine. Let's carry on. Okay, let's hail.
Siyabuya-ke Tuesday ngo-1 isikhathi Tuesday la e-social center siyabuya-ke Viva Community
Nikhetha abantu abayi-4 singazi u-5 yikho le yikho nasemamithini nisho ungathi nangabe mhlambe wena sokwazi ukukhuluma namhlanje ukwazi ukuthi asiyakwazi ukula bafethu abantu abeze emamithingini bayakwazi
Amamithini wabo ba?
abezi
hayi vele kunjalo ngivumelana nomfowethu nami amnandi kanjani lama meeting abawabiza le aswavuni uqala phasi nini lekhehle kisula
akashaya isibone
Meeting ayiphelanga kahle. Bekukubi. It was very fucking bad. Sorry for my French, mara bad. What 5 yodwa? Cishe sikarabhana la ichabavu ne crossroadsekuphuma amagama ngekho right. It's divided. And akusinto right leyo. Basazodlala labantu. Lezi nje zisazosidlala cause unity ayikho. Ukubumbana akukho. Thami. Bumbana akukho mfowami. Akukho la siyakhona. No ngiyabonga. Yeah, isobona khona ngiyabonga ngaso lesikhathi sengisicholile. Oh wena angisakubizi ngosilenda so usidudla mamela la. Ngilibonga kakhulu le thuba lokuthi ngi-address nami ubuhlungu obunga
TV unakabafazi.
Baba ithami.
Ngifuna ukusho ukuthi ayamfanele ikhathi umfethu. Ayamfanele.
Yonke le fucking
Indoda nangifuna na Facebook.
Fuck you wena. Fuck you. Makathisa kathisa ungasabuyi izokubulala induku ye khuzani makathisa babukele ngicela ukhuza makathisa uzofa induku hayi mina ngisay sekayibalekela uyayilanda hayi hambe nje bavile